Hello everyone, Mr. Mossy here with the Mossy crew. Today we're gonna do the unboxing of this product. Is the 2K Quad HD Smart Home Video Doorbell from XTU. They did send me this product for review, so any opinion on this video is strictly my own. I will be leaving the link for these products so you can purchase it if you're interested, and the link will be down below, also right next to where you can subscribe to the video. So the camera features an original design, 2K Quad HD, two-way audio, so it'll work kind of like an intercom. You can actually talk on your phone to the person that is at your doorbell, regardless if you're home or not. Motion detection, wireless chime included, so you can place it anywhere in your house and you will always listen to the doorbell ringing. Local and cloud storage. It also has dual voltage power. So let's see what it has inside. But before we do anything else, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the video. You can also share it for your friends or anybody that you may think that want to shop for this camera, this particular camera, or that has this camera, and it might be beneficial for them, be it for the installation or because they're thinking of buying a camera like this. Either way, you'll find the links below for all my social media as well. So what we have here is a free gift, the XTU unconditional lifetime warranty. We have two wall mounts, one that goes directly onto the camera itself, like so, and then you can leave it with one if the camera is going to be straight flat onto the wall and pointing forward, or you have this 20-degree angle camera wall mount that you would place onto the other mount, either depending on where your camera is going to be, pointing that way or the other way, with an angle the other way. So it's optional, but it's pretty convenient depending on how your door placement is. In my case, I will be using the optional angle door mount because my door is in a different angle. It's not flat straight to the street. You also have your quick guide, is the manual. It has all the stuff that you need. Of course, the doorbell camera, which is not that big, not that small. It's pretty much standard size. The ring, the chime is a wireless chime, which is very convenient. You can have it anywhere in your house. You also have this AC connection. For the camera itself, it has a couple of connectors, electricity receptors on the back, and you will plug it in like so, and of course tie it up with your included tools. It has a little set of small tools here, starting with the small Phillips screwdriver and stuff. Also has a jumper for indoor chime. In case you want to connect it, you can actually connect it to your existing doorbell, and you can bypass plugging it onto the wall. By doing so, you can plug this on the back of the camera. Actually, this is this one's, and you remove the tip of this plastic protection for the wire after you hook them up on the camera. Let's see, 1 second. Once you hook them up on the camera, then you lose the tip and expose the wire. Once you expose the wire, you grab the 2 wires from your existing doorbell. It doesn't matter what order, one into one and the other one into the other. And once you do that and you twist them together, you place the cap for, for safety, the safety cap, and twist it into the connection of the 2 and safely secure the doorbell onto the wall, into the wall mount. Once you put it on the wall mount, there is a screw that you have to put on the bottom to secure the camera onto the wall mount. There is the SD card, the digital card goes on the bottom right here. Also, you will find a USB connection on the bottom of the camera. That's for that's different features that the camera has. Also, your reset button is this little hole right here next to the USB, and you will have to use one of these provided tools. And that's how simple this setup is for the camera. It's actually not, it doesn't seem to be a very difficult camera to be installed, and you have to download, obviously, your it's called CloudEdge. CloudEdge is your application. And thanks for tuning in. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so, and follow, subscribe, help the channel grow. Thanks.